begin, log in with the credentials provided. In the event you've lost your password, you can always click the recovery button and an email will be sent to you to reset. Be sure to check your junk and spam folders. Click Login. So to begin as an author, let's first look at a few key areas of content creation menu. Click Content. And let's start with the taxonomy. It's best to start by building a taxonomy, as this allows you to categorize your content by subject. This enables you to easily search and reuse content that you've created. Here you see the common subject is always a default subject. If you do not decide to set up a taxonomy, all of your content will be set under common. I've added customer service and induction training. You can click Add to add additional taxonomy levels. You can also right-click to add a subgroup or subtopic, or remove and rename. Next, we'll look at themes. Now, the themes allow you to create a look and feel for the interactions and questions that you create within your course. You can create your themes in advance, or at any time, you can create themes and apply them to existing videos. Here, for example, I will provide a new name. So I'll create a new theme called the corporate theme, and I can go through each of these objects, edit the style, and decide the color, any backgrounds, font face, font size. All of these different options can be set. I can preview here and click Save. So I've created a theme and look and feel for the choice, and I can continue through each of these objects. When happy, click Save, and my theme will be available here in the drop-down list. So this is a preview of the choice question, how they will appear. Great, so next I would go into the content creation area. So click Content, Create Edit. You can create a new video, a new test, search for any existing content to edit, and you can import and export videos and content from any of your different environments you have access to. So for now, we'll click New Video. And within the video element window, I can choose my title, add a description, choose my language, set a subject. So this is the taxonomy we've just discussed. I'll set this as customer service. Now I can choose a video file from my computer or a URL. From my webcam, I can capture a video directly. So for here, I will choose a file from my computer, MP4, MOV, those sorts of files can be imported. And I can move down here. A few other options you can choose is to have the video autoplay when loading for the end user. I can hide the main controls, so this forces the user through a path. I can choose to track a score if I have questions within this video. I can set the video as adaptive. So if I have questions and if it's answered incorrectly by my end user, I can ask that they revisit topics within this video or within other videos in my LumaOne site to help strengthen in the areas where they've shown weakness or where they've answered questions incorrectly. I can set my theme from the drop-down list. So I'll add the corporate theme that I've just created. So that will have a blue font for my choice questions in this example. I can choose to hide an end page. So this is at the end of each video, it will show their score and a message. You can set an end, pass, and fail message. So when I'm happy, I can click Save, and you're ready to begin authoring.